Welcome. In this video, we will talk about the different ways you can find a roommate, as well as how to create and verify your roommate group. There are 3 ways you can search for a roommate. If you know another student of the same classification, you can search for them by details. You'll want to know their web screen name to use this function. Please note that this most likely will be different than their real name. If you do not know anyone or are looking to meet a new friend and roommate, you can search students by profile or by scrolling through your suggested roommates. For suggested roommates, our system will show you students who have a good compatibility with you based on how you both answered the roommate profile questions. Let's walk through as if I'm a student who has found a potential roommate and wants to create a group. Once I have logged into my resident portal, I will navigate to the top banner and click on application. This will bring me to the page where I'll make sure my classification is correct and then click Save and Continue. On this page, I will see my application or any application I have started in a darker gray box, and I will want to click the red Continue button. Next, I'll see the declaration page. At the top of this, any completed sections will show as a check mark. I will want to now go to the roommate preference page. If I am the group leader, this is where I can create and invite other students to my group. Or if I'm not the group leader but know what the group name is, I can also request to join that group. So first I will go to Create Group, make a group name and password. Then click Save and Continue. Here I can see the group name I have created, as well as my profile. Since I know who the other person is, I will now click on Search for Roommate by Details, and I will type in their screen name. Here it will show me any searches that are related, as well as the profile overview and the compatibility. To the right, I have the option to add to group, send a message, or view profile. So let's invite the student to join the group by clicking Add to Group. This will send them a message indicating I would like them to join. To accept, they will go into their resident portal and follow the instructions provided in the message. Once the student has accepted, I will receive a message in my portal indicating they have accepted the request. Now I'll go back into my application to the roommate page where I can see they are now in my group. I also now have the option to remove them from the group, and I can also change to make them the group leader instead of me. For now, I'll stick as a group leader. So the next step is to verify this group. By verifying the group, it gives us better chances of living together. So I'll go and click on the Verify Group, and a box with a green line will appear to confirm once I have completed this step. Some key information for first-year students. June is our roommate matching month, and this is a time to create and verify your roommate groups. Students will need to be offered the same room type in order to have better chances to live together. And if you are not able to find a roommate or you are unsure who you want to room with by the end of June, no worries at all. Our team will play matchmakers and we will pair you with another student. And as always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to resident services.